Hello and welcome to my latest property market report. Today I'm in Holland Park, one of London's many beautiful green spaces. This is really a stunning location, such a green and relatively quiet place right in the heart of central London. Sadly, you can see it's not a sunny day, but it's still actually quite warm here and a wonderful place to be. I'm delighted to say that I can bring you good news about the UK economy and the property market too. August saw the Bank of England cut the interest rate by 0.25%, bringing the rate down to 5%. This is the first interest rate reduction in 4 years, and it has immediately boosted demand from potential buyers, creating real momentum in the property market. This cut has already meant lower mortgage rates, prompting increasing buyer activity, and we expect demand to strengthen further as we move into the autumn. According to Rightmove, the number of potential buyers contacting estate agents has actually jumped from 11% up on the prior year across the month of July to 19% up since August the 1st, compared to the same time a year ago. Rightmove also reports that the number of sales being agreed is now 16% ahead of the near-peak mortgage rate period of a year ago, and the number of sellers coming to the market is 5% ahead of last year. As I mentioned, the interest rate cut is already having a real impact on inquiries, which are increasing noticeably. But perhaps even more importantly, it's leading to greater confidence amongst buyers than at this time last year when interest rates and inflation were a lot higher. Honestly, there's real buzz in the air now as buyers move ahead with their plans at last. So although the interest rate cut is small, mortgage rates are now on a downward trend, boosting demand and property values. And we expect to see strong growth in the coming months ahead. The Office of National Statistics has also just published data that shows house prices across the UK rose for the 5th consecutive month in June, another sign that the UK property market is bouncing back from the period of low growth. With demand growing for investing in London property, our international teams have been meeting clients over the summer at our overseas property events and in London. Myself and my MD Anita Mehra are actually travelling to Asia later in September. We're going to be visiting Doha to start with, then Malaysia, then Bangkok, and finally Singapore. We'll be updating clients on the London property market, including current trends, future growth areas, and offering investment advice. Our India and Indonesia teams have actually been in London with clients visiting London's best residential developments this month. Our Bangkok team has been showcasing London Square's Earlsfield and 9 Elms projects. These are 2 outstanding developments in southwest and south London, offering houses as well as apartments in prime locations. We'll be back in Bangkok later this month, so do get in touch as we'd love to meet you. Our Singapore office, as well as London, has been showcasing opportunities in Dubai and Abu Dhabi by UAE top developer Aldar, where the returns have been amazing with yields as high as 10% and no local taxes. Again, we'll be in Singapore soon, so get in touch as we'd love to meet you. And our Hong Kong team recently visited Taiwan, launching Barratt London's Raw Gateway in North Acton. This is part of a £26 billion regeneration scheme with over 26,500 new homes and excellent connectivity to central London. And in September, they'll be launching the latest phase of White City Living called the Solaris. While in KL, in September, we'll also be launching the Solaris, and we're joined by Finance Director Vida Mehra, who'll be running a talk on the top tips to save tax if you're buying a property in London. So do come along and meet us. Over the summer, we've seen a lot of clients buying properties for their student children to use as a base while studying in London, which then will turn into a rental investment. Buying for children is usually cheaper than renting, plus offers the opportunity for capital growth. So let me know if you want to meet Anita or myself while we're in Doha, KL, Bangkok or Singapore. Moving on to the rental market, my favourite topic, we continue to see strong competition for rental properties. Every single one of our 21 London branches are receiving more than double the inquiries they were recording per property in July 2019, which was before COVID. Demand from international students is of course high as unis start at the end of September, October. Most are looking for apartments in residential developments near their university or very close to transport. The Office of National Statistics confirmed what I've been saying in my last few updates, that the rental market is super hot. Rents saw an increase over the last year to July 2024 of 9.7%, another sign of the strength of the rental market. With demand so high, our landlords are achieving some very strong rental income. The rental market is fast moving, so do get in touch to find out how much rent we can achieve for you. And if you're planning to invest, get in touch for the latest opportunities and deals that we're able to offer. So thanks very much for watching me today from a rather cloudy but quite hot and clammy London, and I'll see you next month for another update.